Beautiful.
Foolish mistake in bobsleigh.
Whoa. Nice.
Taxi that baby back, baby.
It is. I don't know if
I don't know if you're gonna make it.
Sure you got it.
Just make it.
Woo! For $200, I'm pretty pleased with it.
Oh, nice.
Pretty pleased.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Down out of the way. You don't want to see the ugly man. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Well, I got my saw. I got my balsa wood. Start my B-25. Well, I bought a beautiful saw from Michael Mark.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful table. It's like a sewing machine saw.
Is it
Yeah.
Jigsaw.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, those are handy. But actually, you know that
Never had an engine that ran that well. Yeah, and that runs smooth. It's still running rich.
Table,
Good smooth.
This sander.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay. Sounds good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. He's coming down. This is too wild. Yeah. Hear that? He just did a barrel roll. Aileron roll right over us. He's up there, but he's like 700 feet maybe. I don't think I got him on the camera. I'm holding the camera in one hand, talking to you in the other. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.